Hello everyone, Install Easy here. Today we're going to show you how to install AnyDesk on your Windows operating system. AnyDesk is a remote desktop software that allows you to connect to a computer remotely from your Android phone to your Linux computer, from Windows to Mac. AnyDesk is free for personal use. Professional users need a paid license. Alright, let's get started. Open up Microsoft Edge, double click here, type AnyDesk download, click on it. Do not click on anyone that says add. This is the official website, anydesk.com. Click on it, and as we can see, it's already highlighted Windows. It auto detected the system we're on, so click download now, and it's done. We could run the installation from here. However, close this out, click on File Explorer, click on Downloads, and double click AnyDesk Setup here. It will open up this window. If you want to install it proper, click on Install AnyDesk on this device, and you want to uncheck a few things, especially this Install AnyDesk Printer. I don't think you need it particularly unless you have that or you want to select that. Everything else should be fine, and just click Accept and Install. Click Yes to grant permissions here. I'm gonna close this out, and here we are. This is what AnyDesk looks like, and basically it tells you get started. It's just preview page, and you can just invite somebody that has AnyDesk installed as well. It created a desktop icon for us, and if you wanted to pin it down here, just right click and click Pin to Taskbar. Alright, that's it for today. Leave a comment on installs you would like to see on this channel from the team here at Install Easy. See you next time.